Hello, welcome to 2-5 Mastery. I did this and then I forgot to upload it to YouTube yesterday, so I apologize. I'm actually at home today. I'm not in school. I need to quickly try to do this so that you can have it. And every time I try to get the instructions, they move. Okay, so here's your chart of accounts. And you're supposed to do these transactions and prepare a T account. But this is a little bit different than what you've been doing, because now they want you, let's see if I can, technology, we love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, it doesn't want to move. Let's get on with it. On the first, we paid cash to owner as investment. Cash is an asset account. The normal balance side is a debit. If we receive cash, it increases. If we pay it out, it decreases with a credit. Increases with a debit. So since we received cash, it's increasing with our debit, $2,700. You have to put the date in parentheses first. And we're just going to do part of this and try to get it sent to you so that you can watch it. 2,700, I believe, was the amount. And the owner has the investment. They're both going up. One's a debit, one's a credit. Debit on the left, credit on the right. Remember that? Okay. Next transaction. Paid cash for rent, $500 on the second. Okay. So we paid out cash. So it goes here in parentheses. Don't skip a line. You skip a line, it's going to count it wrong. 500. Then we go down to rent expense. We know every expense account is a debit until you close them out. Oops, 500. That'd be some expensive rent. 5,000. You better be a nice place, huh? Okay. Then on the fourth, notice there's 2 fours here, so you're going to have 8 fours on your thing when you're done. Paid cash for supplies. So my cash is going down, my supplies is going up. They're both asset accounts. So the one that increases is your supplies, decreases your cash. So supplies increased. Fourth, parentheses. Crud, I can't remember how much. Sorry. 300. And of course we paid cash, so parenthesis 4 parenthesis 300. Okay, you cannot skip any spots. Now, a few clues that I want to give you so that to help you figure things out here, especially if you have an error, is that capital account will not have numbers over on here because the normal balance side is a credit, and right now, until we get further in, it's going to continue to be a credit. Drawing will be a debit. It will continue to be a debit. You won't have any credits to it till you close it out. Sales is a credit, right? Because it's owner's equity. It will not have anything on the debit side until you close out sales. Advertising expense, all expense accounts have a normal debit balance. They will constantly be a debit until you close them out. Prepaid insurance is an asset account. Until you make adjustments to it, it will have a debit balance. Accounts payable is a liability. It falls on the right side of the accounting equation. So this increases with a credit, decreases with a debit. Accounts receivable is an asset account, these two both. They increase on this side, decrease on that side. Don't skip any lines. This will be, you won't have every line filled up on every blank. They're putting out all of them. They'll let you make lots of mistakes with this one. Don't skip a line. If you pay out cash, then it goes on the credit side. If you're receiving money, it goes here. If it's on account, then cash is not affected. You do not do anything with cash when it's on account because you have accounts receivable and you have sales. Okay, good luck.